Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, welcome back, folks. We are looking at forming equations and angles in a quadrilateral. I'm here with my student Amina, and we are looking at this particular question. So we have our four-sided shape, which is called a quadrilateral. That's a generic name. Now we need to work out the value of x. In this particular question, we have to realize, because we're talking about the internal angles of the quadrilateral, now we do know something about that. Those angles are always 360. Okay, so internal angle of any quadrilateral is going to always be 360. That's a known stated fact. Okay, so let's get cracking with this particular question. So let's choose two brown. So we start with each angle, go around and add them up. So I use the technique that I showed you last time. You put the x's on one column, so 2x minus 10. Underneath I put x plus 20. Underneath I put plus 80. There's no x for that term here. There's no x terms. And then we have x minus 20. So everything is lined up. X's with the x's and the numbers with the numbers. And we know that this will give us, this should be related or equated to 360. Now, we have minus 10 plus 20. Minus 10 plus 20 will give us plus 10. Plus 10 plus 80 will give us plus 90. Plus 90 take away 20 will give us plus 70. Lovely. That one. Now let's look at the x's here. Now we have 2x plus x's, 3x. And then add no x's, still 3x. Add 1x in the bottom will give us 4x. Lovely. Now, so nice linear equations for us to solve. Okay, remember we have to work out the value of x. X has been timed by 5 or acted on by timed by 4. Sorry, timed by 4. That's the first action. Plus 70 is the second action. We always move the last action first. Grab it by the scuff of its neck, throw it over. It lands with a thud. It becomes a minus 70. Change side, change sign. So we still have 4x under the 4x. So we have 360 minus 70. That will give us what? 290. That will give us 4x. Okay, opposite time by 4 is divided by, oops. Well, let's get rid of that line. That line looks a little bit crazy. That's better. Oh, that's nice. So opposite time by 4 is divide by 4. Okay, that's lovely. 2x, 3x, and 4x. Lovely, lovely, lovely. 360. Everything's looking okay. Now, don't get worried if you got a number that doesn't look like it's going to divide straight away. That shouldn't be a problem. So x is equal to 290 divided by 4. Let's work that out. 4 goes into nothing. Remainder 2. Okay. How many 4s in 29? 7. Remainder 1. 4s in 10 is 2. Let's extend the number. Remainder 2. 4s in 20 is 5. So the answer here is x is equal to 72.5. Are we happy with that? Now, we can get our calculator out and we can quickly check that. Let me just quickly pause that. Okay, folks, we just checked it off camera, the answers. So that's 135, that's 92.5, that's 52.5 degrees here. Okay, and so far we have added them all up, plus the 80 already here, and that does give us 360. So don't get worried if you get an answer with a decimal number. So x is equal to 72.5, and that gives us the angles there. That's the end of that video for now.